Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add an object to an image in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Then we go to the file menu. Select this open and place option. Now I am open an image from our file. Click this open option. Then resize the image. Then check mark this option. Now we go to the another page. We can see here a background or object. Now I move the background this page. Now click the background right button and choose this clipping mask option. Then decrease the opacity. We can see we add this object to this image easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.